And the race is on. Maximum Impact fast to begin, followed by Jupiter Thunder. Moving up by the rails, Dumadagundong. And rushing up is Dragon May alongside Saga. 1A California. It's now Maximum Impact. Rushing up is Vergara by the rail to take the lead. Vergara, Maximum Impact, Jupiter Thunder. Racing import by the release Dragon May alongside Saga, 1A California, and Dumadagundong. It's Brother Vergara via Lankenhab, followed by Maximum Impact. Jupiter Thunder is closing in third, and Dragon May Saga. Rounding the far turn, Vergara via Lankenhab, followed by Maximum Impact. Jupiter Thunder, Dragon May is racing forward by about 2 lengths as they race the last 450. Vergara, the favorite, by a length and a half, followed by Maximum Impact. Jupiter Thunder is running by the as they race the last 150. Vergara, Jupiter Thunder, Maximum Impact is on the outside once again. Vergara, Maximum Impact on the outside. Vergara, Maximum Impact is on the outside. Entering the finish line, Vergara, Maximum Impact, Jupiter Thunder, Dragon May, Dumadagundong for your Fenta Fecta. Then comes Saga and 1A California.